Hey guys, so I am back to tell you about something that has completely changed the game for me. As a mother and a hairstylist, let me tell you, this thing is going to change your life. I started using this RevAir blow dryer. Now you can see my daughter's hair, it's pretty thick and curly. The whole blow drying process was always a headache for my arms, for my child. She's not tender-headed, but she was always uncomfortable. Let me tell you about this RevAir blow dryer. When I tell you, I have never blow dried her hair this quick. Less heat, non-damaging. I'm not detangling all day trying to blow dry and tugging on her ends and breaking her ends. This is like the easiest, most efficient way to blow dry anybody's hair. Look at that. It got it pretty straight. And if you're a hairstylist or you do your kids' hair, you know blow dry is the most important part, whether you are doing a natural hairstyle or whether you're silking them out. The blow dry is the key to a clean finish. So again, this blow dryer has just been amazing. A couple of things that I just want to leave you guys with. It's way less drying time. Your arms are not hurting. Your kids are not whining. The detangling process is super easy. You don't have to keep brushing through it and detangling. Less heat. When the hair is stretched out, it just sucks the water out and leaves you with a pretty straight finish look. Obviously, if you're doing a natural style or straightening it, this just makes it look and feel so much better, guys. All right, so that's my review on the RevAir. When I tell you it is a total game changer, if I were you, it's worth every penny. Look at my child. She's super happy, smiling. It does not hurt, and it does the job and doesn't damage her hair. Look at this girl. All right, guys, so we've gotten her all blown out. I'm going to silk her out and trim her, and then I'll let you guys see the difference from the last time we straightened her hair. I think it's almost a year ago, and it's grown so much longer. We've kept her hair in braids this whole time. So we're gonna get into this silk out. Y'all know this is my favorite wax stick. I use it all around the edges when I'm silking it out. It just sets the heat in. It helps not let it revert back as quick and just moisturizes it at the same time. Look at it. So here we are straightening her hair. When I tell y'all her hair has grown so much fuller, the ends look much better from her last silk out, which I am going to add in the description below so you guys can see the difference. You can just look at what her last silk out looked like and what it looks like now. My wax stick again, we're gonna put it around her edges. Again, this just helps set the heat in. When she goes to sleep, she don't wake up with her edges back curly. Like, this makes it last for me. Look how good that looks. Every style starts with a good wash at the shampoo bowl. You gotta make sure that the hair is super clean, not oily, scalp is clean. The next step is obviously moisturizing, conditioning the hair. So when you straighten it, you have a nice shine to it. After that, I think, again, the most important part, obviously, besides clean hair, is the blow drying. If you blow dry the hair good enough, the rest of the process will be a breeze. If you don't blow dry the hair good, the hair is dry, brittle, then you're trying to detangle while you're straightening. It just leaves the hair with less shine. The ends look fried, and it just doesn't give it a clean finish look. So the blow drying process is very much so the most important part to me. Look how silky her silk out is. The girl is feeling herself. So I pretty much just keep her in knotless braids most of the year, and I try to silk her out maybe 1 or 2 times a year just to give her a good trim and just heat train it a little bit. And look at this. I'm gonna put in the description below her last silk out so you can see the difference of how much thicker it got and how her ends look and how just maintaining your child's hair can make a difference. All right, we're gonna trim her up. My baby be acting a little funny, so we always just trim the ends just lightly, just until we get it all full from root to ends. And we're slowly getting there because her last trim, you see a big difference with her ends. So every time I take her braids out, I'll just maybe, not every time I straighten her hair, I trim her hair. And I try to do less like low manipulation hairstyles, like knotless braids and stuff for a couple of months. That way we're not combing through it, breaking her ends. And eventually we will get her to the point where her hair is full from root to ends. As you can see, it looks much better from her last silk out. So we're slowly getting there. I think in the next 2 trims, we'll probably get all of the little split ends off and she'll have the fullness from root to ends. And you don't have to force yourself or your kids to cut all of their dead ends off. Like, it's a process. And there's no race. There's no race to the finish line. Like, do it how you feel. She doesn't really like trimming her hair as much, so I'm just doing it slowly. My final thoughts are, this is everything. I am never going back to a regular blow dryer, especially on my daughters. This process was just so much easier. It was worth every penny. Super fast. I've never blow dried her hair this quick. Gentle on her. You saw how she was just chilling, reading her book. She wasn't twitching, doing anything. And I usually edit that out of the video anyway. But this time I didn't have to do any of that. She was just reading her book, chilling. So for me, this is it. If you have a daughter, if you do your hair at home, this blow dryer would really be an asset to your styling game. So whether you're trying to wear your hair straight or you're just doing a natural style and you're stretching your hair out prior to doing your twist or your braids, this will make your life easier. It's healthier on the hair. And I mean, I don't have anything bad to say about this. All right, guys. All right, so I will see you guys on the next video. Comment below. Let me know what you guys want to see more of, or if you have any questions, some styling questions, anything, just let me know down below. Thanks for watching. Bye.